Most people get this wrong and assume every gift card can be added directly to Cash App like a normal debit card. But here's the truth. No one tells you. It depends on the type of gift card, and many will not work the way you expect. In this video, you'll learn exactly whether you can add a gift card to Cash App in 2026, and the real step-by-step method that actually works when it is possible. Let's start with the basic rule. Cash App only accepts certain prepaid cards that are registered, activated, and supported for online payments. That means some Visa or MasterCard gift cards can work, but many store-specific or restricted cards will fail immediately. But here's the problem. Most people try to add the card without checking activation or billing details. Think of someone like Alex buying a gift card, opening Cash App, and instantly entering the number. If the card is not registered with a zip code, Cash App will reject it even if the balance is full. Now here's where it gets interesting. If your gift card is eligible, adding it is actually simple. Open Cash App, go to the Banking tab, select Link Card, and enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV. If the system accepts it, the card will be added like a debit card. But there's a catch. Even if it adds successfully, you may not be able to use it for sending money or cashing out. Cash App often limits prepaid cards to purchases only. So you might be able to buy something, but not transfer funds to a bank or another user. Next, make sure your billing zip code matches the one registered on the gift card website. This is one of the most common reasons for failure. If the zip code is missing or incorrect, Cash App will decline the card instantly. Another important detail is balance limits. If your gift card has a low balance or less than the transaction amount, Cash App will reject it without warning. Always check your remaining balance first. Now let's be clear about something important. If your card keeps failing, it does not mean Cash App is broken. It usually means the card is restricted, unregistered, or not supported for that type of transaction. To wrap it up, yes, you can add certain gift cards to Cash App in 2026, but only if they are properly activated, registered, and supported. Even then, usage may be limited to purchases, not transfers. If this helped, like the video, comment your issue below, and subscribe for more simple, real-world fixes that actually work.